Hey guys, welcome back. This video is just a quick little update about some tutorials that are now up in my shop. I have a set of 5, so one is mold making for art doll heads. The next one is casting an art doll head in resin using that mold that we made in the other one. So I'll go through the process of what I do when I cast my art doll heads to get a resin cast. The next one is a pretty highly requested one, which is how I cast glass eyes in my resin art doll heads. So I'll go through the entire process of how I do that using this stag as an example. The next one is how I make my wire armatures for my art dolls. So I'll go through the entire process of my armatures. And the final one is how I attach resin pieces to my armatures. So sorry, no faux fur, furring the face or anything. I haven't decided if I actually am going to go through with that. And they will come in a zip folder, and it will be a PDF and also a video tutorial. So it should help you in both sections as well. So you can head over to my shop at creaturesofnat.com and you will find them in the tutorial section of my shop. And that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find a lot of help with these tutorials if you decide to purchase. And if you have any video requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!